give me Mozzie on some sloppy. Sloppy, shake that shit. Baby, come and give me Mozzie on some sloppy.
Ain't no talking, baby, be about it. I'ma do it back, I'ma do it
Baby, come and
do it.
I like how you look, tell me what your mouth on.
Do it back, I'ma do it once now. Do it.
I like how you look, tell me what your mouth on. I like how you look, tell me what your mouth on. Come and give me mouth on. Come and give me mouth on. I like how you look, tell me what your mouth on. Come and give me mouth on.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I've been kind of MIA with my makeup tutorials. I'm sorry, you know, I've been going through a lot of stuff, you guys, but I will be doing a life update video really soon because you're gonna, I want to vent to you guys, and I want to, be honest on why I am consistent one week and then not consistent the other week. So I am hitting y'all with a makeup tutorial, and this is what I came up with, you guys. I did collaborate. This video is in collaboration with Deck of Scarlet. If you guys do not know what Deck of Scarlet is, I have mentioned them many of times on my channel. They're basically a brand, but they do offer a beauty subscription. So if you guys want to sign up, I also have a coupon code if you guys want to check out their products. They basically will send you a bomb ass palette every month, you guys. And they also do other services too, not just palettes. Like I said, if you guys go through my playlist of videos, you guys will see that I've talked about them before. One big thing that I love about Deck of Scarlet is that they always collaborate with big popular YouTubers. So this month is in collaboration with Wesley Benjamin. Hold on, because I actually got a picture. Okay, it's right here. This is Wesley Benjamin. I'm pretty sure you guys know him because he is bomb.com. So yeah, this is what this month's palette looks like, you guys. You get 3 eyeshadows, 2 cheek colors, and 2 lipsticks. And then you also get a little pop-up surprise, which this month they actually included their little Ultra Jelly, which is kind of like a face highlighter. Girl, let me tell you, this right here was my favorite part. You guys, look at this. This was my favorite part of doing my makeup today. It served me. I had a lot of fun playing with this, let me tell you. I put it all over my cheeks. I popped it in my inner corner on top of this bomb ass periwinkle kind of color. Oh my gosh, I would never think to use the combination that I did. That's why I really love subscription palettes like this, because it really pushes me to step out of my comfort zone. I do have a 30% off coupon code if you guys are new to Deck of Scarlet, so make sure you hop on the wave. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want more makeup tutorials. And definitely before you go, comment down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to DM me a picture on Instagram, you can do that too, because your girl needs some ideas, okay? So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching, and until next time. Bye.
Tuck, tuck, tuck. Give it head taps, let tap, tap, tap. Work. One phone call, get you whack.
Yo, that is dead my song right now. But anyway, jumping into voiceover, I'm gonna flex these brows off camera and come back with the damn ice cream, because girl, I've been eating lately. Your girl's gaining weight. My appetite has been through the roof. But yeah, starting off with the eyes, I am gonna take my MAC Give Me Some bronzer, because this palette does not have any matte shades. So your girl needed a little something in her crease. So I was just being lazy. I am gonna throw some bronzer, and then I just took a random dark brown just to add some depth into the outer corners, because we need something, okay? But I do want the star of the show to be the Deck of Scarlet palette. So anyway, moving on to cutting my lid, I am going to take this 24-hour Shadow Insurance by Too Faced, and I am going to use this as a sticky base to kind of cut the lid and also adhere this eyeshadow. This is the Shadow Hazelnut in the Deck of Scarlet palette. It is a super pretty dark chocolatey brown with a lot of gold glitter. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous, you guys. So I am now going to take the shade Innocence, which is this periwinkle shade, and pop this in my inner corner. This shade absolutely served me, but I was tight because my camera was out of focus. Come on, let's get it together. I haven't filmed a tutorial in a while, so cut me some damn slack. Anyway, I am gonna take this Urban Decay glitter liner. This is Space Cowboy, and I want to intensify that gold glitter because I wanted to bring out that gold, inside dark brown shadow. So I'm not gonna put too much glitter because I don't want to completely cover up the shadow, but I am gonna add a little something. And I think that this just brought it to life. Now I am just going to pop on my lashes, you guys. And I was going to do my face off camera, but then baby Autumn here decided to completely take over my whole video.
Hi, McDonald's and Till.
They're not called McDonald's. They're called prima donnas.
Hi, McDonald's.
It sounds like you're saying McDonald's. Say, what's good, prima donnas?
Till McDonald's.
You're Kiki.
Kiki. Your mommy. Your whitey. Hey, Kiki.
What's good, my mama?
And then can go back to the next time. Bye.
She's at that stage where like she wants to have her hair out all the time.
Ow. I feel your mommy's here.
Get into it. No, no, no! Hold on, I'm trying to film, man. You're being annoying. No!
Mommy angry.
There you go, still doing it. Yo.
Look, my hair. My hair is sissy. Look, my hair is sissy.
Yeah, she's canceled for now. If you guys wanted me to do a video with Autumn, let me know in the comments down below, because this girl has a character to her. Okay, she is a wild personality and she talks so much for a 2-year-old. But anyway, I am gonna run that bronzer on my lower lash line and finish up with some mascara to complete the eyes. And now I am gonna take that really pretty pink blush in the palette. I thought it was gonna be super pigmented and so pink, but it's actually so wearable and like it really melts into the skin. I actually really liked it, this blush. I was gonna take the highlighter in the palette, but I decided to opt out for this eyeshadow, which is the champagne shade, because the other one was just a little bit too yellow for this look. So if you guys want an alternative, do not sleep on the champagne shade, because girl, it is a blinding. Okay, it was so pretty. Now I'm gonna take this jelly that this month's box came with, and oh my god, I was so excited to play with this, you guys. This is like a really, it's not a chunky glitter, but it's so thin, I can't really explain it. It's just like a finely mouthed glitter, but it does have like a bluish glittery undertone, so it really made that like blue in my inner corner really pop out. I don't really like putting glitter on my face because, you know, it can look, you know, too much. But the way that they formulated this jelly, it's just so finely milled and it's so pretty on the face. It actually gives you more of like a wet skin kind of look, which I really liked. I also did pop that in my inner corner on top of the blue, because it did have a little bit of blue glitter, like I said. So it just really made that inner corner really stand out, like wham bam bitch, all up in your face. You know what I'm saying? So now I am gonna bake and also clean up my contour a bit. I've been including this step in my face routine just to look a little bit more snatched, and I am going to line my lips. And of course this palette does, because it has a face on it, my camera kept focusing on the palette, obviously because there's a face there, so it was kind of like hard to film because I need a mirror to be close up to me. But yeah, I am gonna wipe away my bake, you guys. So I'm sorry for all of like the footage being blurred out and stuff. It's really because the palette has a face. So my camera was just tweaking with this damn palette. But anyway, I am now gonna use that nude shade, but then I wanted, you know, to add a little pink, you know, to tie in the blush. So I am now gonna take the pink lipstick. Also, I really love the formula of these lipsticks. They're so creamy. They're not super drying and matte. So I really like that. Yeah. So this beat is complete. This is the completed look. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Comment down below what you want to see next, and until next time, bye.